Welcome to Superlift Garage Door Openers. In this video, we'll guide you through the setup and operation of your Wi-Fi Smart Camera. We'll cover the optional Wi-Fi controller, how to install the camera, download the app, the importance of a 2.4G Wi-Fi network, how to pair the camera if you have a Wi-Fi controller, or how to pair the camera as a standalone device, and how to install multiple cameras. You can use the Wi-Fi camera as a standalone device. However, if you have an SDO5 or RDO6 garage door opener, the optional Wi-Fi controller allows you to pair the camera to your garage door opener in the app. If this is relevant to you, we have a separate video that guides you through this process. Choose a secure mounting location with a clear view of your garage door or desired monitoring area. Use the provided magnetic steel plate and screws to mount the camera securely. Attach the camera to the plate and adjust the angle for optimal coverage. The camera can be powered by either a USB-C connection or wired into your garage door opener motor. Here we'll show you how to wire it into the SDO5 garage door opener. However, you can wire it into any motor with 24 volt and ground connectors. Feed the wires through the back of the unit into the hole. Plug the black wire into the ground connector and the red wire into the 24 volt connector. Remove the slack in the wire and close the door. Plug the USB-C connector on the other end of the wire into the camera, and after about 12 seconds, you'll hear a power on tone. To find the correct app, scan the QR code provided in the manual. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Once downloaded, open the app. Allow the app the required permissions and follow the steps. If you haven't already, register an account. Enter your email, and once you've ticked the checkbox, press Send Code. Check your email for the code. If you don't see the code in your inbox, be sure to check your junk or spam folder. It often ends up there. Enter the 6-digit code into the app. You'll now be prompted to set your password. Enter a password of your choice and log in. Your account has now been set up and you can log in. Where it says Enter Account Number, use your email address. You've now successfully logged into the app. The camera operates only on a 2.4G Wi-Fi network. Before proceeding, ensure that your smartphone is connected to a 2.4G network. Many modern routers broadcast both 2.4G and 5G networks. If you don't see a 2.4G option, you'll need to contact your internet provider to split your network into separate bands. Once you're connected to a 2.4G network, you're ready for the next step. Once logged into the app, it's time to pair your camera. There are two places where you can add the camera to the app: directly on the home screen as a standalone device, or inside your already paired garage door. This option is only available if you have the Wi-Fi controller installed on an SDO5 or RDO6 garage door opener. If you don't have the Wi-Fi controller, skip to the next chapter where we show you how to add the camera to the home screen as a standalone device. On the home screen, press your door. Press the 3 dots on the top right corner. Press the plus button. Press Camera, located under Smart Accessory, and follow the on-screen instructions. Using the reset needle, press and hold the device reset button until you hear. About 20 seconds later, you'll hear, indicating the camera is ready for setup. In the app, press Device Reset, Scan, allow the app to use your camera, and scan the QR code on the side of your camera. Choose your 2.4G Wi-Fi network, enter your network password, and press Next. Now it's time to use your Wi-Fi camera to scan the QR code on your phone. Press Confirm. Hold the QR code on your phone in front of the camera. Once you hear Confirm, and press Next. Your camera is now successfully paired with your app. Press Try It, go into your garage door, and press this play icon to view the camera. Adjust your camera angle if needed for the perfect view. To switch to full screen view, press this icon. The app lets you review recorded footage, adjust motion detection sensitivity, enable cloud storage, use two-way audio, and set up notifications and security alerts. If everything's working correctly, your Wi-Fi Smart Camera is ready to use. To add the camera as a standalone device, on the home screen, press the plus button and press Smart Device. Press Camera. We recommend giving the device a name, as it's helpful if you're installing multiple cameras. Press Confirm and follow the on-screen instructions. Using the reset needle, press and hold the device reset button until you hear. About 20 seconds later, you'll hear indicating the camera is ready for setup. In the app, press Device Reset, Scan, give the app the desired permissions, and scan the QR code on the side of your camera. Choose your 2.4G Wi-Fi network, enter your network password, and press Next. Now it's time to use your Wi-Fi camera to scan the QR code on your phone. Press Confirm. Hold the QR code on your phone in front of the camera. Once you hear Confirm, and press Next. Press Try It. Your camera is now successfully paired with your app, and you'll see it on the home screen. Go into the camera and adjust your camera angle if needed for the perfect view. Explore the settings. The app lets you review recorded footage, adjust motion detection sensitivity, enable cloud storage, use two-way audio, and set up notifications and security alerts. If everything's working correctly, your Wi-Fi Smart Camera is ready to use. You can install multiple cameras by pairing each camera directly to the home screen of the app. Follow the same steps we covered in the previous chapter to install all additional cameras on your home screen. For more information on this and other Superlift products, check your manual or visit our website.